So today is the first day that we're going out on the boat. We're going out with our buddy Ernie, and we went a bunch of times with them a couple of years ago, but today we're going out with all the older Mullallies, and the Mullallies are really good friends that live super close to us up in PEI. So we'll see what happens. We could hook a tuna. It's probably not gonna happen, but it's more of like a scouting for when we go tuna fishing later in the year. So we're trying to find our boat. North Lake looks kind of deserted right now. We'll see. I don't see anyone really. Wait, no one is here yet?
I got to fill in for the day. They got to go lobster fishing. How you doing, sir?
Good to see you.
This boat's usually not here. Here, wait.
Is Blair coming with us?
Blair, yeah.
No way.
Oh, so you know
I know
Blair.
Blair, yeah, of course. So he's with you now?
He's lobster fishing for the last 5 years.
Okay.
He's kind of a hired gun.
He's a legend, though. He's a good fisherman for the tuna.
He is. Phil just said you're a legend. What's going on?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Do you know my son, Ronan?
No, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How you?
Good.
Besides that, we're ready to go.
Perfect.
And watch your step. This boat's pretty slippy. There's not a lot of grit on it.
Sweet.
So, you can if you wish, or you can jump in.
So I guess it's all right. So Blair put his boots on in the car and just walked out.
This guy's going the extra mile, right? That's what we do it early, sure.
Ernie, can I just grab a rod? You got one, Tony?
What are you doing stealing my phone?
It's a drop line. Calm down.
Tony got a beast. Hey.
Oh, we got some. There's some serious fishing here.
Dude, it's a massacre.
They're in thick, Dad. That means tuna. Is there even tuna rods in here? Oh, I think I got one. Maybe. Yeah, I got one.
Oh, you guys are pros at the match. Yeah, all you have this morning.
Yeah, I got one. Oh, we got tangled.
You got him.
I'll get a bait.
Dad, we're gonna have some good bait for tonight. Oh, I got one.
Nice one,
Yeah, I got one.
Oh, I go, whoa.
Yeah, there's a big pot on the bottom. Oh! This one's fighting, Dad. Look at this.
Why would you put a big one?
Well, obviously they're here now.
Guys, oh.
We were getting a couple bites, so make a little move. Alright, guys.
How deep? Oh, very bottom, I think. Right? Oh, I got one. Dad, I got one. Everyone's got one. Whoa, a big cod.
Oh, that's a bigger codfish.
Oh, I got it. Sea robin. Oh my God.
Yeah, I don't know what that
A raw fish.
Wow, I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's strange.
They're super dangerous to touch.
Yeah.
They're crazy sharp.
And are they poisonous? I've never seen that.
They're not poisonous. They're just crazy sharp. Everything on his body is
a spike.
It's a spike.
You wouldn't want to eat it though.
have somebody else there?
Hold them running now.
No, I'd rather not.
Ugliest fish I've ever seen.
It looks like that. It does look like a sea robin though.
Looks like it. They have the wings. It has the wings, but
Oh, I got one.
almost as good as the day that you caught the cake.
Oh, this one's big. Oh, what the?
Yeah. Whoa, you got me. Here, hold on.
Oh, wait, hold up.
You got someone.
I got someone on.
Let me go under you. Let me go under you. Let me go under you.
It released. Who did I have? Someone under there?
Uh-oh.
No, I think I had the bottom dead or something because
Maybe it's so far down. This guy's putting up a fight.
I either had
You
one.
had one, Ronnie.
Well, I think I had someone on that side. Either that or it was a huge fish. Oh, monster cod. Holy, hey Karen, look at this. Oh my God.
Holy cow. Did you get that on video?
Yeah, I got that. I got that on video. Did you see the gannet? The gannet.
You got that. That was pretty.
Here they are. The gannets are here. Oh wait, no.
You can't keep them, Mom.
Oh, the birds are here. Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Super billet of bird.
well, if it's gonna be the bird or like a $10,000 paycheck, the bird's going.
No, but
Oh,
are you filming this? This is so cool, man.
oh, look at all these gannets. Holy. I think I got something super small. I can't tell though. Oh yeah. Oh no, no. Yeah, eat it.
Yeah, he'll have no problem taking it.
On a footage.
Oh no.
Everybody's gonna have to.
Oh no, did he get me?
Get a bird.
Oh, I got one. Oh no, watch out! Ah! Oh my God.
Oh, Blair, did you see that?
Uh-oh.
Incredible, Tony.
Look at it swimming.
Oh, you get it out of there, Tony. Nice, baby.
Oh. He got you then. This one's strong.
You outbirded the bird.
I gotta watch out, Dad. Let me know when there's a dive. Oh, I got one. I got something, Dad. Or maybe I have someone. Oh no, I did get a fish. Oh, I got a cod. I haven't caught one yet.
Surprising how many caught. We run 300 traps, 6 traps per set. How many? Anyways, we usually have a little bit less. So I'm just gonna throw this guy back. One of my actors. If you know good, then we grab the lobsters out of it, take them out. We have to measure their carapace size, like their eye socket back against the shell. They go opposite sides.
Right, left-handed, right-handed.
Yeah. So after we haul them up, we measure, make sure they're legal, make sure there's no eggs on them. Don't want your feet caught in that stuff. And those crabs are small compared to the new ones.
I know you're catching them.
There's nothing left for us here. It's all ruins. We need the radio. We need to get the radio.